Hi guys, so I just want to show you how you apply a screen protector, a tempered glass one, to an iPhone 15. So I would recommend from brand new, don't remove this yet. Place it like so, because that acts exactly like one of those cleaning equipment that they give you to remove the dust. You need one of this to remove the bubbles. And I go for these ones because they mount like this and it's quite easy. This is very easy to work with. So what I do first, I like to hold this like that, and then I quickly remove the glass, the protector, like so. I know there won't be any bubbles, then I remove this quickly, and as I remove it, I just place it on top, and then try to press it down. Let me just put it here, make sure that that's on. So what you need to do with this one is you just need to press your finger around there. Yep. As you can see, they do suggest to do that. So then you just remove this from the top. Yeah, so you remove it slowly. As you can see, it just gets removed. Don't rush it. There's no need to rush this process. And that's it. So now you see we have a few bubbles that we need to get rid of. So we will slowly push them away with this tool. Yeah, like so. And then we do the same with this one. And then we keep on trying until we remove and get rid of all of them. So I think we're almost done. I can see some in here. So when I push very slow and give it time to cure underneath. Yep. So I'm pretty sure we're kind of done. Let's just make sure around the edges. And let's see if they've included a cleaning cloth or something, so we could just remove anything we have on the top. And I think these are brilliant because it's so easy to install, especially if you don't really remove that sticky thing from when it's brand new. And look at this, guys. It's applied perfectly, no bubbles, no dust underneath. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.